purpose of responsive AI agency, we've created another AI-powered product that is for accountants, well, in this case, Nigerian accountants, and it's an AI-powered audit assistant. What it does is to help detect anomalies, identify risk areas, and then generate audit summaries. So it's very useful if you have, as an accountant, you have like a file, maybe from a client or even from your place of work, and it has a lot of data in it, date, transaction ID, department, account, amount, description. But what the system is built for basically is to help you to audit anomalies and then give you a summary accordingly, which is very useful as opposed to you manually having to go through each of them, especially if you don't know how to pivot tables. And even with pivoting, you cannot get the summary that our system will give you. So how this works is you have your file ready in CSV. Excel and PDF will come up in future versions, but for now, even if you have Excel file, you can always save. You just go to your file, save as, you choose a location, and then you now drop down, pick CSV, and your file will be saved as CSV. So let's demonstrate how this works. So we have this demo data here that has, obviously, there are some anomalies that is highlighted already, like for example, transaction ID 2025, the description miscellaneous, that is ambiguous. For 2005 transaction ID 2005, we have a negative amount there, and then there are some other anomalies. So let us see if the system will pick it up. So we'll now go back to the interface. You browse file, locate where you save the file, and this is the file in CSV, and then you click analyze audit file, and our system will go through your file, and then it will now flag the anomalies. This is very useful for you to be able to pick out audit risks. Now immediately you can see that the dangerous item in the financials that we uploaded is a negative amount, which should not be there, because remember that it was tagged as salary, and then minus 3,500 doesn't make any sense. The system flagged that, and then there are duplicate IDs that were detected for this transaction ID, and there's a transaction missing description there. Let's see if we can locate. There it is. That is transaction number 2035. Let us see if that is what is 2035 correct. Transaction missing description, and then it gave you some suggested focus areas, and then the other summary that you can always copy and paste and add to your report. This is a very handy tool for accountants who are also auditors and who needs an on-the-spot detector for risk areas, and then generate all the summaries, and then be able to give a management report accordingly. So if you want to get your hand on this tool, please click on the link below and sign up for you to have access to the tool and start skyrocketing your financials, your audit analysis using our AI-powered audit assistant called AuditMate AI.